Harbiden. हाय हेलो हेलो एवरीवन। आवाज आ रही है? कैन यू ऑल हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
गुड गुड गुड। ठीक है। यार हम 8:05 या 8:07 से स्टार्ट करेंगे। स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर पीपल्स टू ज्वाइन। ओके, सो जस्ट टू ऑल दोज हु हैव ज्वाइन ऑन टाइम आई रियली अप्रिशिएट। जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर अदर पीपल टू ज्वाइन। ठीक है, विल स्टार्ट एट 8:05। 8 नॉट 8:05 एक्चुअली 8:07। Okay. Hi. Hello. Oh, really? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you, Ronak. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Abhay. Really, thank you. Thank you, Yuvraj. Uh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mamta. Thank you, Vamish. Thank you, Ayushi. ठीक है यार. तो like today is one of my favorite day, like not as a teacher but as a student. I remember when I used to be in school and in college, this is like one of the favorite days. Like we are free to do anything as a student. What I'm saying ki, so yeah, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सभी को. And in fact, happy Teachers Day to you all, because at the end of the every class, I too learned something from you guys also. ठीक है. Sir, I have missed last 2 classes. I hope I can go through this and have a very cool teacher, because you are here for us flourishes. Satya, basically, I would say ki, the today's class will also be very scratch. But the thing is ki, today a class will be a little heavy. Okay, so like from the past 2 days, we were doing a little bit light classes, and I was thinking to get you on the floor first. But today, like the real feel of HTML and everything will come. Like we'll make a live web page today itself in the class only. It's okay, but again, I will start from scratch only. If you have little bit of idea about how HTML work, or how just HTML, no CSS, okay, no CSS, just HTML little bit, what paragraph is, what heading is, and all. So then you will be good to go. If in case you have absolutely no idea, so what you can do is you can just while I'll be doing and I'll be explaining the codes, or while I'll be building the things, you can just ping on the comment, okay, and I'll discuss that little bit. Really, thank you so much to everyone. One thing I wanted to discuss, just I will take not more, just 2 or 3 minutes. The first thing is ki, maybe you all are not aware, but you have recently noticed that we have integrated Zoom. So if some of you are from the previous batches, like batch 19, or maybe some batches, or who have not just recently joined from the last month to the Accio, if you are a more than a month old student in Accio, you know that previously we used to send the group this Zoom links to the Discord groups, and from there you used to join for the classes. I hope ki you for all those who are familiar, okay. But now the website has the Zoom has been integrated on the website, so there was a lot of purpose to do that. The first thing is ki your attendance is being monitored. Mark my word, you all are grown up, so this is not something like a kiddish thing or childish thing where बच्चों को डरा रहे हैं या वो. So your attendance is being monitored ki when you entered in the class, for how long duration you were in the class, how many time you just exit from the class, to all those chats that you all are asking. So everything is being recorded, recorded. So 75% attendance criteria, again ki that typical college, it is not college, but again ki if you will not come in the class, mark my word, if who all are here for like more than a month now, they know, they can relate. If this is your first batch, then you might relate to it after a week, or after 2 weeks. You can do a 3-hour class in a one go, but to watch a 3-hour video, it will take you more than 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours. You cannot watch a 3-hour video in the in the time span of 3 hours only. So try to attend the live class. That is for your betterment only. I say this again and again in every class, that try to understand that this business, the complete business that we are in, is it's not a zero-sum game. It's a 1-1 game. What zero-sum game is basically ki, to win someone have to lose. So in one 1 plus minus 1 will be 0 1. Okay, 1 plus minus 1 is 0, but this is not a zero sum. We can only win, me as a teacher or the Accio job as an organization, as a company, can only win when you will win. Okay, I'm coming to every point. I'm coming to every point that you all are saying. Don't worry. In the last class, I asked for feedbacks, and I really appreciate you all were very honest. You all highlighted. I didn't want. It was not like कि मैं खुद से खुद की. I know how I teach. ठीक है. So I was just trying to figure out if there is some issues from the student side, and you all have been very honest. You all have just given your raw comments, and I highly appreciate that. Okay. In future also, I'll be doing this regularly. Please be very honest. In case you don't like anything, in case you feel this some inconvenient, let me know. Because based on the yesterday's class, yesterday's feedback, like the last class feedback that you gave on Friday, today we have done a lot of modification that I'll be telling you in a bit. The first thing is that attending the classes is really mandatory. Mandatory in the sense that it will be beneficial for you. Again, I cannot come outside from the screen and pull you, grab you, and just make you sit. I would request you, I would like encourage you to sit. The second thing, there are certain rules that I have made for the classes from now, because I asked for the feedback or like the general comments from the last class. Some student really gave some feedbacks, and they were telling ki 2 or 3 major problems that I realized you all were facing in the class. The first thing was ki the comments that I used to read in between. Okay, so you guys are feeling distracted, isn't it? And I like agree to that ki sometime when I'm reading comments or when I'm just reading out the chats, it is getting too much off topic for some people who or maybe some comments are off topic, but since I have read it, I am trying to answer it. So there will be some things that ki, while I'll be teaching, while I'm explaining a concept, or I'm just building at that time, for some time I'll do this as a demo ki I would give liberty to you all to be disciplined and just ask the relevant question. Okay, just ask me the relevant question from that topic. That could be beneficial for everyone. And if we can do that, that would be really great, because in that way you'll also have the freedom to every time ask me the question, and I'll be happily answering you. For the like the general question, like someone might ask, do I really need to do Angular also to get into front end? So that is not relevant for the moment of the class. That question might be relevant. That question might be relevant to you because you are still thinking, should I do React or should I do Angular or should I do Vue? But that is not relevant in the proper in that moment of the class, isn't it? Because timing also matters. So every day, for the last 10 to 15 minutes of the class, exactly last one, I'll be available every time, unless and until I don't have an emergency or something like that. So I'll always be available. You can just have a chit chat with me. No boundaries. That time, all the people who have done the class, they can choose to leave or stay. Okay. A thing. B, I realized that the class of 3 hours is getting really very long. Okay, and some of you are living in hostels. Some of are living in your like Prof PG or something like that. Some of you are working professionals also. So we will be taking 15-minute breaks. Okay, that I will decide today ki whether I will take that break at like how should I divide 1.5 hour class or 1.5 hour class, or sorry, or 2 hour plus 1 hour. In between, we will take 15-minute breaks because 10 minutes is not enough to get food or feel refreshed. You can just grab your dinner in case you are someone like me who takes his dinner at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. So you can maybe take your refreshments or something like that. Okay. So you'll get also a proper, because 3 hours class, some of you have wrote, and I also realized ki, I discussed with the management, and then we came up with a break is really needed, else the brain stop processing the information. It is not only the amount of information I'm just putting out. It is not something I don't want to be like कि कोटा पूरा करना कि ठीक है मेरे को पढ़ाना है, आकर के मैं बस कुछ बोल के चला जाऊं, ठीक है, कुछ करके दिखा दूं, और हाँ भाई देखो मेरे को अपनी स्किल्स तुम्हें नहीं दिखानी है, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट हियर टू I'm not here to, or my purpose or the class is not like show you how much skillful I am. The purpose of the class is to combinedly learn something and grow to help you get a job. In that case, we'll be doing everything that we can do, that is needed to do. Again, क्या कोई बोलेगा कि सर 2 घंटे का क्लास में आधे घंटे का ब्रेक दे दीजिए, तो that will not be entertained certainly. ठीक है. So these are the two things that I felt to discussion better to keep the chat disabled or only allow when you have completed the topic. Yes, Ria, completely agree to you. I was thinking the same. See, the one thing that I can do is I will keep the chat to chat me only. But the only problem will be with that if I'm answering to some questions, so you all will be completely irrelevant for which question I'm answering. No, classes will be for 3 hours. Classes are for 3 hours. The one option that I have is I can keep the chat to me only. Okay. In that case, you all will not get distracted. You all will not get distracted. ठीक है, let's I'll do this demo, like I'll do this a pilot dry run, because there is no sure and certain sure short way or something like that कि we'll try and error figure out कि कौन सा way चलता है, कौन सा नहीं चलता है. तो for now I am leaving up to you for your discipline कि to give the lecture in English. Yeah, sure, the class lecture will be entirely in English. How we know that what question you are explaining? That's for that reason only I keep chat to everyone, because that add relevance to the doubt. Because if I'll start taking doubts, it will be relevant to the person whose doubt I'm taking, but it will be irrelevant to the entire community, like the entire class okay, what he is answering to or what question he is addressing to. So for the same reason I keep chat to open. But let's see for the first 1 hour I'll try to figure out what things will be going, and then so I'll go to the terminal. I'll go ls, and this is on desktop only, I guess. We made that file on desktop only. Front end. CD dex. Front end, yeah. ls mkdir d2. Okay. Okay. Might be this screen is not visible to you all. Sir, I have. Please give a recap in the few minutes. I'll do that. Don't worry. I will do that. Basically, I'll try to give a quick recap of what we did in the last class. And to do that, the better idea would be I feel let's start writing code. Okay, let's start writing code, and then with that code only we will be able to, because in the last class we didn't discuss very much things about it. Was a very general thing heading tags and all those things, strong and paragraph, strong, bold, and all those things, very small general things. So we'll be discussing the entire thing right here. So let's first start and if you remember, I give advice to you all in the last class also, always open the current folder. Always open the current folder. You'll realize that in today's class also why I used to say. Okay, let's make a index index.html. Okay, and here we have the doc type. Okay, and for now, and let me do this. so that we can just visualize also the same time at the same time. ठीक है जी. Let Sir, I used VS Code, but after using long stuck in my code as everything else. युवराज, ठीक है. What you can do ना कि एक बार लास्ट में जब क्लास खत्म हो जाएगा तो I'll allow you to share your screen and I'll see if there is any issue on that. ठीक है. Just quick check from my side कि can you see my both VS Code and the Chrome? Good. Very good. ठीक है जी. Let's start the class. ठीक है. So this is basically a very common way to just a very simple HTML page. ठीक है. Nothing is here. In fact, this title, if I can also emit this title. If I'll just emit the title, here you can see this is the IP address. Okay. So the first thing that I did, I'll just do for a first 10 minutes, a quick recap of whatever we discussed. So the first thing that we can do is we can add in the head tag. And in a HTML tag, we have two things. The first head tag, then the body, and maybe I'll indent this. Okay. This is the HTML. And then this lang is nothing but this is the language in the English. Okay. You can also like make it more specific UK English or like that. Okay. The first thing is the head tag. Okay. The head tag. In here, we can just add title. That title will be we can say day 2. Okay. Day 2. Now you can see day 2 here, it appears here. It appears here in the day 2, isn't it? The first thing. So this is what title does. It provide title to the thing. Now, one thing that you can relate, this all the things in the head part, like in the head section, will not be relevant to this particular section. Let me just take, okay, this is working. Yeah. So all the thing in the body section, will be working for here. Abhi body mein kuch likha maine kya? Nahi hai. So this is the IP address. Okay, this is the URL. You can say the URL part. This here is a tag, and everything that we'll be writing here in the head tag. Okay, let's randomly open some websites. So maybe I will open my LinkedIn. I will open not YouTube, maybe Twitter. Okay. And then maybe I'll open some other AccuJob website. Okay. Or maybe this is the Notion or Amazon's website. Can you spot, leave about the body part, in the heading part only, can you see there is something difference between our website? This is our, not website, you can say web page, and the other 3 web pages that I have opened. This is my LinkedIn page. This is my Twitter account. This is Amazon. There is a slide, something missing that I feel ki yaar mere website mein something is missing right now. There is a lock sign. Lock sign, where is lock sign? ठीक है, देखो. Here, there is something. The LinkedIn page, icon. The LinkedIn icon. Logo. Yes, very good. Logo. Yes. I got it. Okay. I have kept the chat private so that other people don't feel distracted. Okay. Chalo. Here you can also see ki there is a logo of Twitter. There is a logo of Amazon, isn't it? There is a logo of Amazon. So how can we do that? I want to add some, maybe you can say, I want to add image to my this also. So for that, I can just go here and I can, this is a relation, icon icon. See, I can add a link here. Okay? The rel part is the relation. What is the relation? Because this, as we'll move ahead, we'll study also. We can add CSS, we can add the style sheet, we can add JavaScript code, all those things from the in our HTML tag only, the head tag. So for this, we can add this logo, and maybe you cannot see my desktop, but I have kept an image on my desktop. I have kept an image on my desktop. I'll go and I'll do what key. I'll take it and ping it in the D2. ठीक है? ठीक है जी. So yeah, html5.png. ठीक है? You can just go here and say html5.png. Now, can you see? Can you see now our website also have a this what to say icon? Okay. So the first thing, sir, how did that image come? Brother, see, to all of you who thinks who might have the question कि ये image कहाँ से आया? See, as a teacher, I prepare classes. ठीक है? I'll tell you. There is nothing rocket science there. कि क्लास लेने के पहले आता हूं तो मैं भी प्रिपेयर करके आता हूं क्लासेस. ठीक है? तो there are certain resources that I need to follow. There are certain images, that are certain things that I'll be using in the classes. ठीक है? तो वो ऑलरेडी मेरे लोकल ब्राउजर पे सेव है. ठीक है? मतलब मेरे कंप्यूटर पे सेव है. VS कोड में अच्छा VS कोड में कैसे आया? यार जस्ट सिंपली मैंने अपने फोल्डर में जाके डाला, नथिंग मोर. यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड ऐड इन योर फोल्डर. अच्छा ठीक है, I'll show that. I'll show you that how did I do. Maybe just let me share my screen, the desktop screen. ठीक है, ये मेरा वीजा एप्लीकेशन फीस था. सो हियर इट इज. ठीक है, ये पहले ऐसे मेरे डेस्कटॉप पे था, अब मैंने इसको यहाँ पे ऐसे डाल दिया, और कुछ नहीं किया भाई, इतना ही किया था. ठीक है, आई जस्ट डिड दैट मच, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. Making sometimes screen freeze to just some people are complaining that there is a voice breaking and the screen is freezing. Is it with everyone? No, again add करके बता दो with command. No, everything fine. ठीक है. Okay. So some people are saying for them the voice is clear. The meta tag also that you can. Priya, I will explain everything. Meta tag and all those things. ठीक है. Just going in the flow, starting from very basics. As soon as we will grab things, I'll explain that. ठीक है. In the last class also, please, it's about their networks. So please use shortcuts. The meta tag also. If I open Zoom, it's good. If I open from portal, sir, site specific, sir, rel is specific for separate thing or it is used only for. No. ठीक है. There is a very good question that Abhishek has asked. ठीक है. I'll like pick good questions and I'll tell for this. See, this is for a link. Link basically means you want to link your current this current HTML file with something externally. Okay, I'll explain from very basic. We don't know anything. Okay, I'm explaining from basics only. See, this is the link. Okay, the link part. It simply means what it simply means is कि I'm linking this any other thing. Okay, with this current HTML file. Nothing more than that. So when I'm linking a file, I'm just telling you what is the relation. Suppose that I want to add some different file. You might not know right now, but CSS, suppose the style sheet. Okay? So here it is the style sheet. The href is the address of that file. ठीक है, the you may say like maybe I can just use a HTML image, some image also, image image, and suppose let's try this, and copy link address, and maybe this link is, it is not taking, maybe I can save that. I can save copy image address, and then let me try this. ठीक है, देखो, now can you see horizontal references, I guess. देखो अब काम कर रहा है. Basically what I did was I took the address, I did the copy image address from here, and I just pasted the link of that image. Now it is catching, the image. ठीक है. So there is just two part की the link. The first thing is की relation. What is the relation of this link? जो मैं एक बार I'll say this in Hindi also for other peoples also, and I'll repeat the same thing in English too. कि देखो लिंक का क्या है बेसिकली, कि मैं इसमें क्या कर रहा हूं, मैं अपने करंट फाइल में मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर रहा हूं, लिंक कर दे रहा हूं. ठीक है, बस सिंपली लिंक कर रहा हूं कोई दूसरी फाइल. यहां पर ये बता रहा हूं रिलेशन कि जो मैं नया वाला फाइल ऐड कर रहा हूं ना, या लिंक कर रहा हूं, उसका रिलेशन क्या है. तो इस बार ये आइकन है, और href इसकी उसका एड्रेस, उसका लिंक एड्रेस. ठीक है, href is the address. ठीक है, the link, और see right now before that हमने यहां पे क्या किया था, html.5 png. Why? Can you see the link of that file? This code was html.5 png was here. Since it was in the same file, why it is html.5 png, it should work. href icon, ठीक है, hypertext reference. You can say what is the difference between icon and styles. icon solve करना जरूरी है, save करना जरूरी. देखो यार, the thing is ना कि there is nothing as such compulsory. ठीक है, there is nothing as such की compulsory कि you have to do this only. I guess I have HTML5 and this is की ICO and icon. Why this is not taking? Let me inspect element networks. अच्छा ठीक है, maybe there is some issues. Icon is not. सर मेरा डायरेक्ट कॉपी करके भी हो रहा है. आई एम जस्ट कॉपिंग दैट लिंक. हो जाएगा. नहीं यार, उससे भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. HTML5 ठीक है. अभी मे बी की आई विल डू द कॉपी इमेज एड्रेस. अभी के लिए ये करते हैं. ठीक है, thing and do it. Even my logo is not showing. Just copy it once again. ठीक है यार, देखते हैं कर लेंगे. Don't worry about that. ठीक है, let's move ahead. ठीक है, now we have something, we need to learn something about the body part. ठीक है, and there this is our entire. सर आप ट्राई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. now the whatever. ठीक है, now let's start. whatever I'll write in the body part, let's see, I'll write something here. It will just exactly come in the body part. ये रहा मेरा body part. This is the body part. Whatever I'll be writing here in the body part, it will be showing you what you can see as the visuals. Okay. So let's not write it randomly. Let's not write it randomly, very randomly. The first thing that we use is key in any website, in any page, web page, not website, you can say. The first thing is, you can say you give a heading. Okay? So the first thing is heading. Or before that also, there is one thing that I discussed in the previous class. This is comment. Okay? This is a way to write MENTS, comments. Okay? The comments are certain something that is just for your visuals that you can read. The computer will not read that. Okay? You can just put it for your documentation, because when you'll come back, you can just have a look at what exactly I was writing this line for. Okay? The first thing that I can write is for the heading, the H1 below is the heading. I would say, okay, below is the heading. Okay, simple, very simple. There are multiple types of headings. Sir, there are multiple ways to write comment in the. There are multiple. In the previous, you written about some letters, right? B, bold, italic. What about A and all? There are multiple. Okay. Who was this? Just let me take your name. Since I'll answer to your question, like उसको मैं आपको visualize करा के ही दिखा देता हूँ, ठीक है? कि there are multiple things that we can do regarding that. ठीक है? So देखो, the first thing is maybe कि hello everyone. HELLO, hello, AVERY, hello everyone. Welcome to my web page. WEL, so you welcome to my first web page. First web page. Okay. So this here comes your first heading. Okay. Here comes your first headings. Okay, let me check in what order we are going through. Okay. Now we learn about something called break element. Okay. Or something I want to put basically horizontal line. This is Sidhu. Acha, Sidhu. Oh, hi, Sidhu. Okay, we'll do that, Sidhu. Okay. So now I want to put simply nothing more. I'll divide the other section. This was my first heading part. Okay. So BR, not BR or HR, I can say. Here comes. Okay. Now my website. This is the first heading part. Since our entire web page should contain only one main heading. Okay? There could be other subheadings also. So we will be understanding the concepts of main heading, subheadings, and or the main paragraph, subparagraph, the entire concepts. Okay. So now I have given a web page. Let's start. Give another heading. Okay. Let's give another heading. What I want to do is H2. H2, I can say, let's figure out the things, what I want. LETS, let's, because I actually want to do something like productive, something good to see, which will be good to at the end, not something randomly, मैं ऐसा कुछ randomly भी लिख सकता हूँ. Let's FIGU figure out what am I learning today. What am I learning today? ठीक है जी. ठीक है. So this here comes the other thing. Now come. ये रहा. This comes the H2 part. Now you can see the H1 like this. The H1 and H2. This I'm repeating for the people who are first in the class, because a lot of you were saying to repeat or give a recap of the previous class. Okay? So this is something of the like a recap. So there are multiple types of headings that you can do. You can use now you can use H2 as the subheadings. Audio not working. Can you just try rejoining the meeting? Maybe ki, acha, is the audio not working for everyone, or is it okay for others? No, it's working. ठीक है. So then it is then it could be an error from your side. Okay. Then it could be an error from your side. Just try rejoining the meeting. ठीक है. Just try rejoining meeting. You'll be good to go. ठीक है. While we can get audio. Connect from mobile. ठीक है यार. See देखो एक और चीज है. Try to understand on my part also कि there is certain there is something that I can do. There is something that is beyond my controls. So something like if some people are getting a proper audio and video visuals and or everything, and some people are not getting it, so that is something beyond my control. I cannot do anything about it. Something which is on my control, like if it would be a very general problem, then maybe I would rejoin the meeting again. So for everyone who is facing issues in the audio or video or the visuals, I would highly request you to kindly just rejoin the meeting once. Okay? Just kindly rejoin the meeting once. That would be that might work. That might work. Some people are texting that if they are using from mobile, if they are using it from mobile, then it is working. Say them to join with these links. अच्छा ठीक है. What I'm doing ना, एक बात रुक जाओ. Someone has sent me a meeting link. Can you for all those who are not able to hear properly, just I've sent a meeting link. Kindly join from that link. Maybe it would work. Maybe it would work because that would then directly open the Zoom app rather than the website integration. Okay. ठीक है. पिया ठीक है जी. Let's move on. I have sent the link, but शायद उधर अटेंडेंस काउंट नहीं होगा. प्लीज कंफर्म. हो जाएगा. ओके ठीक है. तो इधर आई कैन से कि हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट वेब पेज. then I can just write some paragraph. ठीक है. In paragraph, what I can write, let me think for something really good. Let's figure out what this is my first time learning web dev. This is my first time learning, or or you may say I'm learning web development for the first time and I'm really enjoying it. Sir, please tomorrow से Zoom में link send कर दीजिएगा. ठीक है जी. ठीक है, कर दूंगा. I am learning learning web development, development for the FIRST first time, and I am enjoying it. ठीक है. Very good. Now here, to you all listen to very carefully. ठीक है. For the next 2 to 3 minutes, this is a very important concept. Often student miss this concept, and this is like a very common interview question also. कि tell me the difference between the inline and the block elements. ठीक है? The reason I see, we will be learning each and every concept with the help of the project, like we will be doing the live things and all. So let's write the same paragraph. Let's write the same paragraph. ठीक है? I am writing, I'm enjoying I'm learning this. ठीक है? I'm learning this one. And maybe I'll take it and keep it here. ठीक है? So in case for now, if you see, I have written it both here and maybe you can see now, but still it is coming one after another. Shouldn't it be like, if there is some space, it could use this one. Here comes the concepts of block line and block and inline elements. ठीक है? First I'll do something and then we will deep dive into it. ठीक है? Just have patience for 2 minutes. ठीक है? Let's say something I'm writing right now, span. ठीक है? Forget about it, what it is. ठीक है? Forget about it. Don't worry about it. Just see the visuals. I am also learning mobile development, and I am struggling with struggling with it. ठीक है? And I'll do the same thing that I did with. ठीक है? Now let's see. Let's where did it went? ठीक है जी. But here it is something happening. I'm learning web development and I'm struggling with it. I'm also learning mobile development and I'm struggling with it. What this thing is going on? I think now we can just move to the slower side. Now we can just move to the slower side with our code, because I really love when we are just working with the code and the visuals at the same time. ठीक है? Repetition. No. Don't think that it is repetition. Maybe I'll show you the code once again. See, I have written the code twice. And in the same manner. Both the things. And in the same manner. I have written this paragraph once and the paragraph 2. This is the span that I have written, and I've written it again. Continuous spare line. For p tag, it divides, but p tag both in one span. No. For you guys, ध्यान से देखो, ध्यान से. ठीक है? This is the first span. ठीक है? This is the second span. There are 2 different span. ठीक है? Or maybe I am also learning iOS development. I would write iOS development here, not mobile development. iOS development. And I am struggling with it too. ठीक है? Just see. Isn't it coming again here? The entire thing. I'm also learning iOS development. I'm struggling with it too. ठीक है जी, inline. Okay, cool. ठीक है? So देखो, here comes the concept of block element and the inline element. I'll do one thing. Till now, I know you all have, some of you might know CSS, some of you who have started exactly from the very basics, from the very scratch, don't know what CSS is, okay? Or you don't know whatever. For all who know, it's okay. For all those who don't know, from very basic, हाँ सर एक दो बार लिखा इसलिए तो आया. ठीक है जी, ठीक है. So for all those who don't know CSS, don't put your mind in that, whatever I'll be writing. I'm just writing to show you something. How this inline and block thing is working. So don't get into the CSS part. I'll just do something here. Style, STYL style, border, and maybe color red, aqua. The one pixel. So LID. It's a solid black. ठीक है? This color is not. This color will give the background color. ठीक है? ठीक है जी. देखो सर, स्पैम क्लास टैग और HTML. Spam is a HTML tag. Spam is a HTML tag. With spam we can continue in the same line. ठीक है? देखो, for all those who don't know CSS, don't get into this part how this is happening, or maybe I'll put it a little more 5 pixel. ठीक है? मुझे बस आपको एक कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाना है, उसके लिए ये विजुअलाइजेशन बहुत जरूरी है. I just want to teach you one concept. उसके लिए, for that, with this visualization, it will be very easy for you all. ठीक है? Now see, can use up and down horizontal screen for inline. देखो, what happens in the block element, that it also takes up the space of the entire screen. ठीक है? This is what the difference between. Here you can now realize the difference between the inline and block. ठीक है? In block, what happens? No matter where it finishes, and just let me take this. ठीक है? देखो, see, no matter whatever the screen size will be shrinking, ठीक है? जैसा भी screen size बढ़े या घटेगा, according to that, it will just take the space of the remaining. ठीक है? It will just place the another element next to each. ठीक है? Next to it. But what span will do, it will only take the space that it needed, In my class, I give an example of like div or the paragraph, the block element is like the human beings. I'll come to this once again. Don't worry, I'll explain. If it is not clear, I'll explain it once more. Let's take a very lame example. Okay? This the block element is like human beings, and the span is like birds. You know what is the very basic difference between we humans and the birds, or you can say the pets, animals and all? We not only take the space that we need, we also take the space that we don't need. But you go and see the birds or the animals, they only take up the space for which they need to for survival. एक चिड़िया बस अपने रहने तक के लिए ही घोंसला बनाते हैं. They don't build a villa or a mansion. ठीक है? चलो, that was just a fun example. क्लास में कभी-कभी फन भी होना चाहिए. Now let's come. You can also rejoin your. ठीक है? देखो. Again, voice breaking. For how many of you are facing voice breaking? Not at all. No. ठीक है? I'm doing a chat to public. Doing a chat to public. Can you all just like tell me how many of you the voice is all good for everyone? Good. All fine. Good here. Working it is about. ठीक है, Yuvraj, maybe it is an issue from your side, because like around 80% of the people are comfortable. Like, again, see, I really don't want a single student to feel like left out, but something that is not in my control also. Acha, good. Now after joining from Zoom, some people are saying ki, when you join from the Zoom link, maybe once again I will share the Zoom link. I did share it previously, but I'll once again share the Zoom link. ठीक है? Join from the Zoom link. ठीक है? Yeah, Rahul. ठीक है? A lot of people are saying whoever have faced the problem when they join from the website are facing problem, but whoever have are joining it from the Zoom, they are like not having any problem. ठीक है? Clear the RAM and check in. So inline is taking a space that is required. Yes. ठीक है जी, चलो let's I'll again do the chat private so that people don't get distracted. ठीक है जी. Now let's come to the our part. ठीक है, जो हमें सीखना था. So see, inline is only taking the space that it needed. ठीक है, that it needs. But block element is taking the space of that particular element also. ठीक है? Block element is also taking the space of the entire thing. So till this point, I feel it should be clear for everyone. ठीक है? Maybe I'll do this 1 pixel. 1 pixel. One pixel and 1 pixel. ठीक है. A very quick check. Please let me know. Here I want to take a pause of 2 minutes, and I just want to know to how many students this concept is clear. If it is not clear, maybe I'll repeat it once more rather than going it ahead, so that you don't feel left out. Please don't do that. Please maintain the decorum of the class. Acha, syntax. ठीक है. This is style and all na. They see without this style part also, this will be the concept will be the same. The style part was just to give you a visualization what block level element is doing. ठीक है? Because the border, there is a concept of border that you will learn when you learn CSS. Please don't do that. Who is doing this? ठीक है? Span, where we will use it and how will it be useful. We'll use it while making the websites only. Sometime you don't want some. Acha, ठीक है. First this is the point where I'll read some questions, like the comments. Please show the entire code once. Okay, see the entire code once. We have not written a very big code as of now. Someone have asked where we will use and like how will it be useful. I'll answer this question. This is really good question. A span is just something inline element, so it is, you can consider it as a paragraph tag only, but the paragraph tag is the bold block element. It will take the entire block. It's simple of the paragraph tag. ठीक है? The P used for block, span for inline. Please explain this. ठीक है, Rishabh, I have taken your question too. Take the whole space according to the screen. Yes, Devanjana. Yes, that is the true. That's the case. This is span inline tag. Yes, span is the inline tag. ठीक है. What is HR code? ठीक है. HR. Please, sir, please on toggle word this on VS one is a block. No, span is not a span, is for the same line and paragraph or for the new line. Okay, Ayushi, you two have asked. ठीक है. I've got the question almost all the questions that you all have asked. ठीक है. So first of all, I will eliminate these things. इसको हटा देते हैं, so that you feel little more comfortable now. I have taken the question. ठीक है, also learning iOS development, also RNING learning, OBIL mobile, ठीक है, mobile and I'm struggling with it. ठीक है, ठीक है. So I'll address the questions one by one. Is a semantic tags block? Show me the code. One's difference between stamp and show me the one difference between span and paragraph. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. I'll do that. I'll do that. ठीक है. The first question, that a very simple question was, that would take just 1 second of explanation. What this HR tag? ठीक है. I'll write a code also for this. This HR tag, HR is just a horizontal row. So RIZONTL, horizontal row, or you can say whatever, horizontal line. See, can you see this difference? Sorry, can you see this line? So see, if I just eliminate this tag, there is no line. There is no line. Horizontal line. Yes. So I don't remember the name of the guy or the girl who asked this question. But now, if I just put this line, HR line, can you see there is a line called like the horizontal line drawn? Okay, Devshri. Okay, Devshri. ठीक है? Is your question now got clear? ठीक है. Now a lot of you are asking about this spam and div. तो maybe ना थोड़ा सा बड़ा लिखने की जगह I will write this is a paragraph. PARA. Oh. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. मैंने कुछ ज्यादा लिख दिया है. Maybe this is causing confusion. This is PARA, para. ठीक है? This is para. This is also a para. This is also a para. Just give me few seconds. This is a span. SPAN, span. This is also a SPAN, span. ठीक है जी. अब देखो. Can you see? I have placed both the para next to each other. Para is just basically if you want to write a paragraph in HTML. इसलिए वो toggle word इसलिए बोला इसको नहीं करेगा. Same line, right? ठीक है. देखो. But paragraph is something like you're writing on a web page. There you can write like you can give a heading. You can write a paragraph also, na? So the P tag is just for that. ठीक है जी. अब देखो. अब let's understand the difference between this paragraph and spam tag. Since I'm writing the same way, एक बार ना थोड़ा सा इसको और बड़ा कर देखते हैं. Can you see this paragraph, the P tag? I'm writing two paragraphs next to each other. But what is the result? The result is the paragraph is coming one below each other. The first paragraph is above, the next paragraph is below. ठीक है? This is my thing. but I'm writing spam also. I'm writing spam next to each other. This is a spam. This is also a spam. Okay? Spam is not a spam. The spam that we use in our Facebook or the social media site, not that spam. Okay, span. Okay, it's a small span of time. Okay, this is a span, and maybe I can see that it is coming next to each other. Okay, so here comes the concept of block line and block and inline statement. I just want to know why are you saying using Sidhu, dekho. See, Sidhu, this one you are asking. This is the closing tag. This is the any tags that you use in a HTML that has two part, a opening part and a closing part. So this is the opening part, and this is the closing part. See, this is two different spam. Okay. Reload. Hi. Okay, let's ignore this one. Maybe. So, okay, line number. It is clear, sir. Very clear. I just want to know you are using. Sidhu, is your doubt clear now? This is also see na this head part, line number 5, the head opening part. Line number 5. Line number 5 is to just like I'm taking a web address from the image. Okay. Line number 5 is the link. I explained that part again. Once again, I'll tell ki I'm just linking some other thing into my current file. Okay. Rel is the relation. Rel is the relation. So maybe I'll add a comment here. Maybe I'll add a comment here. RL is RELATIO and relation, and href is HREF is the link. Okay. The difference between spam and div is the only that I'm speaking from the last 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, is it is the paragraph is span and div you asked, or div is something else. Div is something else. We will discuss that. Div is something else. We'll come to that part. Okay. Have little patience. We'll come to each and every part line by line. Okay. How to write comment? Just simple, very simple. Just write this 2 lines. If you'll do this, this is how you write comment. Okay. I hope ki is till this point this block level and the inline element is all clear to you all, and can we move forward now? Also, we can also add comment by selecting the content and yeah, we can also do that, Priya. We can also do that. Like these are the shortcuts we can use. BR track to break the next line. Yes, we are coming to all those part. We are coming to all those part. We will discuss some inline elements. Have to copy the icon to the desktop. ठीक है. All clear. Next topic. ठीक है जी. Don't write this. Okay, cool. So let's move to little more. Let's move little ahead. ठीक है? We are discussing the same topic again and again. Sidhu, see what that word make now. What that is ki immediate in the same file. ठीक है? That will help you. That the slash that you're using, that help you in, that will find the address in the same file. ठीक है? That will just give you. Suppose that you might just see ki just a very quick, not li tag, link link. ठीक है? Let's suppose I'll do this now. If here I'll do this. So see all the files in, I can see all the files in my current directory. ठीक है? All the files in my current folder. That it helps. ठीक है? Maybe I have answered your question. Okay, fine. So let's come and the other things that we have to discuss now are strong BR, NSP less than and okay, cool. The directory. Yeah, it is good to practice that. So now let's see. Maybe ki I will write some. Let's say the first paragraph is ki Control Z. I am EAR and ING learning web dev. ठीक है जी. तो let's eliminate this part. ठीक है? Let's eliminate this part also. I'm learning web dev and I am also learning mobile application. I am also learning mobile, application, development. ठीक है जी. So it will make sense a little bit. Now, other thing that we have to learn today. See, maybe I'm writing here, ठीक है, in a paragraph or maybe in a spam or something that I want. But now I really want to use the spam or div or anything, ठीक है, paragraph or anything. But now I really want from this particular moment, I want to break the line. ठीक है? I want to break the line. Simply, I want to write something. So if I do just like this, maybe I can do like this. I'm also trying I am trying to learn iOS development, VELOP development. ठीक है? But what it is happening, I'm writing it in the next line. But it's no effect. It is still writing in the same sign. Maybe you will say ki, because it is in the spam section. Let's see in the div section also. And I am also learning music. So LEAR and I am learning MUSIC music. ठीक है? That is one, that is like another thing, na? That is so completely different thing. Like जुगाड़ तो अलग चीज है ना. See, we want to learn some things. So by all the means that I'm trying to do, I'm trying to teach you multiple different concepts. Yes, we can do that. We can use p tag in the between, and that will work. But that's not actually a way to do. See. Arey, it's simple, yaar. Why are you making it so complicated? I'm saying I'm just writing a paragraph. Maybe I'll annotate. ठीक है? So ठीक है, देखो, I'm trying to write a paragraph. Okay, I'm trying to write a paragraph. Here, my this thing is done. Okay, this is the end of this line currently. Now I want to start from the next line. I want to start from the next line. Here my line end. I want to start from writing from the next line. What you are saying is, make this a different paragraph, make this a different paragraph, make this a different paragraph. But actually, the entire thing is the one paragraph. ठीक है? So देखो, जुगाड़ से तो दुनिया चल रही है. We Indians are very good at जुगाड़. ठीक है? Yes, Yuvraj, that is true. That is true. You are right. ठीक है? So for that we have one attribute, like, or you can say tag or something, anything like that. If we have break, we can just use simply, after going here now, we can just use this break tag. Just simply break, BR. You use BR break tag. Maybe I'll add a comment also here. BR means break tag. Break tag. It will just simply break the line. It will just SIMPALL simply BREAK break the line. ठीक है? Simply. You can also use that here. BR tag. Break tag. Okay? So I don't find that there is anything rocket science in this. There is anything rocket science in this. Okay? Achha, there is one more concept. Maybe you want to add multiple line of break. Okay? So what you can just do is add more break. So it will give more line. It will add more break. So you can give more lines. So like that. But there is one shortcut also. You can just go and this is not working. Control 10. Break into, let me see the command. BR into 10 HTML. A break line. It might require some extension that I might not have right now. Okay. So all basically means कि if you want to include more सर आप जैसे टैग यूज कर रहे हो ना, न्यू टैग पे कमेंट कर दिया है, हमें पीपीटी दीजिएगा प्लीज, कमेंट कर दीजिएगा सर, एंड हमें पीपीटी. You will get access of this code. ठीक है? From today all the codes that I'm writing, I'll be uploading all the codes on the GitHub. All the code like the same way, the lecture wise, day 1, day 2, like this, and you'll upload all the codes on the GitHub and you can access, and that will be exactly like the same way. I will not change or not format anything. That will be entirely the same way. The comments and all, everything will be written there. Everything will be written there. Okay? ठीक है जी. So there is one tag, that is break tag. There is one more tag, NSPB. ठीक है? So suppose कि I'm learning music. I'm adding some space here. You will get. I'll share you the link. You can just find it on my GitHub profile. Okay. Cool. So see, I'm adding some space here, but it is not making any difference. Maybe I'm using multiple spaces here, and I really want to add space. Maybe I am a mobile developer, and after that I want to use some space, and after that I want to write something. How will I do that? So for that there is another tag. Okay? That is ampersand NBSP. Okay? The number of time control I am learning music. Can you see the there is some space here now? There is some space here now. ठीक है? So the NBSP command is for, I'll write a comment here also. NBSP. NBSP का full form भी मुझे याद था. NBSP HTML EML full form in HTML. Non-breaking space. Yes, non-breaking space. Why we can't use, yes, explain this again, non-breaking space. See the HTML, na? HTML is like quite intelligent language, or you can say basically it does not read these spaces, you may say the non-breaking space or whatever. Okay, so it will not read this extra spaces that you have given. It will just ignore. Okay, it might realize because it in a website, if there could be an error from the human side, they've just given a space, so it just format the program or format the entire website, the text in such a way that there is just a proper space in between every two words. Okay, now learning music. Okay, to do so, but in some case, sir, then how all words are separated? It takes a normal space. ठीक है, ऐसे सोचो. ठीक है. See here, what happens ना कि sometime while a developer is writing, ठीक है, while developer is writing, he might do some mistakes. What the mistakes would be? He gave two or more spaces in between of two words. Okay, and then he just forgot to give, or maybe he just give 6 statements like this. See here. So what HTML does is by default it shrink those and just give a uniform space in between that. Okay? In between them, it gives us uniform space. No matter here, I have not used. So see, after refreshing also, it is giving the same space that day. But in case you really want, what you really want, कि नहीं मेरे को बताना है कि नहीं भाई मैं इधर space दे रहा हूं. I really want to tell him that I want to give this space here. In that case, what you have to do is you have to tell them explicitly, no, see, I am giving a space here. That is, and for that you need to add maybe what here I want to this time give NBSP. Okay. So if you can see, there will be like not properly visible for one space. So just give multiple spaces. V. What I am learning today. Now you can see the NBSP, non-breaking space. In between them, every time you have. Yes, you have to do that, Rishabh. You have to do. That it read one space. Yes, one NBSP, one non-breaking space is one space. Okay, one comment or one word is equal to one space. It read only one space. Yes, Harshal. Okay, fine. The other tag is EM tag. Okay, fine. Just a quick check. Are we all good to at this particular point? Till this particular point, we all are good. NBSP is to add ext or extra space. ठीक है, yes, yes, one hour, can we take break? ठीक है, just give me 5 minutes, just give me 5 minutes, ठीक है, छोटे छोटे कुछ concepts हैं, just we will do this. After that, after the break, we will start with some completely fresh topics. Okay, so just give me 5 minutes, nothing more. अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना, मतलब हम इतना मेहनत किए, and after the break also we will start doing the same work. So let's give a pause at a particular halt. Let's come a station, एक स्टेशन आ जाने दो, वहां पर हम हॉल्ट कर लेंगे, ठीक है? ओके, फाइन 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 फाइन। अच्छा, one thing I am really I have a complaint. I think I am your teacher and I hold the right to complain from you also, ठीक है? कि there are 47 students in the class, including me, so maybe I can say 46 students. Okay, only 5 to 6 people are responding. The messages are now direct, so other people are not understanding. In case, see, if you're not replying, you have not you have understood, that would be, I would assume you have not understood. I'm trying to explain each and every to each and every student in the best way I can. So please, in case if you have any query, if you feel like, not query, I would say, if you feel like I'm stuck here, because right now for the next 5 classes, whatever we will study for the next 5 classes, that will be the very fundamental. Okay, so I really don't want to miss. In fact, if required, I'll arrange a classes, extra class on Saturday, Sunday also. Okay, but it's not that कि we have taken agenda कि 5 दिन में ये complete करना है, तो anyhow just वो खत्म कर दें smash, ठीक है? Anyhow उसको नहीं. I want every students, each and every students who all have been learning with patience, complete patience, for the 47, 46 of you all should understand this, all the concept for it. Okay, ठीक है, then just a quick check, how many of you all have understood? ठीक है जी. Yes, sir, I'm doing notes, whatever you teach. विशाल, प्लीज सर, रिपीट हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है. यार देखो, इसमें मतलब रिपीट करने जैसा कुछ है नहीं, बट अगेन आई विल डू दैट विथ ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू एवरीवन. सी, there is no line. If you just do a write this HR, it will draw a horizontal line, like that simple, ठीक है? One more thing ki some people are saying कि I'm taking notes and all. I respect your efforts, but as a teacher or as your big brother, I'll give you Karela or neem. That will be kadwa, but it will be good for your health. Ab jo, to all the people who are writing notes on their notebooks, mark my word, you are just wasting your time. I'm really sorry to use some hard word, but you are just wasting your time. You're wasting, not only you are wasting your current time, you're wasting your future time also. एक बात खुद सोचो ना, just see this proper. What would be a better way? When I'm going, maybe I just forgot what HR is, what this HR is. Here I have, this is just a horizontal line. Is this better, or I have just written in some notebook and I'll just go and search where I have written what HR meaning is? So all those people, all those things, Shridenshu, that will come in the CSS part. When we'll be learning CSS, we'll learn that also. Okay. सर एक काम कर दो सर, अभी ही रिपीट कर दो ना. invisible code. So always take notes as a comment. Everywhere, like हर जगह पे, at every step, wherever I feel there is something that need a little more highlight, I'm writing a comment. Make this same habit, because in software development, in your whole life, you cannot make notes on your copy. You cannot actually. You might find ki bhaiya, you are suddenly become very rude and you are saying rude. Even syllabus title, Favicon, HVAC, paragraph, inline. Yes, we have done with title, we have done with icon, we have done with heading, we have done with para, we have done with anchor line, inline and block. Inline block we have done. We'll be doing more than what we have in the para agenda. Yes, sir. We actually not able to turn 3 screen for better work at time. Okay. We notes the. अभी हमने एंकर यूज ही कहाँ किया है? अभी तो हम वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड एंकर, वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड लिंक एंड ऑल ना. वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड शुभम लिंक एंड ऑल. अभी हमने कहाँ किया है? हैव लिटिल पेशेंस ब्रदर, हैव लिटिल पेशेंस. ठीक है जी. ओके फाइन. EM in HTML, EMH. ठीक है. EM is to define, emphasize, italic. ठीक है यार. ऑक्स वाला एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा सर. लिंक वाला था यार. राहुल, इग्नोर इट. ठीक है. देखो कुछ और चीजें हैं, कुछ और चीजें हैं. सम देयर आर सम मोर थिंग्स दैट some special characters, or you can say there are some HTML entities, whatever you can say, that you need to know about it. And just for 5 minutes, after that there will be a 15-minute break, and post that we will start learning. ठीक है. Post that there will be we'll learn. ठीक है. No, Devanjana, it's not. ठीक है. Not 20 minute, 20 minute will be very late. ठीक है. फिर आधे बच्चे सो जाएंगे. 15 minute for dinner or refreshment. ठीक है. 15 minute for dinner or refreshment, but not now. अभी हम पहले ये काम करेंगे. First we will finish this part and then we will learn. ठीक है. Some HTML entities. Some HTML entities, ENTITIES, or you can say what we can say, special element. SPECIAS, special, ELEMENTS, elements. Okay, cool. See, there are some things, some special elements. Maybe I'll use a paragraph. The first one is less than. If you cannot use the less than sign like this, you cannot. So give a break. ठीक है. So like this, if you suppose we actually want to use the LT less than sign. In that case, LT ampersand LT. Okay. And see, to use this less than sign, like this character, you have to use this one. And maybe I will write VIKASH TIWARY. Okay. Then GT, greater than sign. There is one more thing, that is ampersand. You might have COPY, copy. ठीक है. This tag, the copyright. All the websites like Amazon might have have this copyright. This C. ठीक है. See this copyright section. ठीक है. That is being used as like this one. ठीक है. उसको इसी तरह से denote करते हैं. So all the copyrights and all those things that you use here. No, these are some special characters because see, like all these things, this less than sign is being used for the opening as. So these are some special characters. So LT stands for, again, I will write a comment. LT stands for less than symbol, less than symbol, IMBO, YM symbol. GT stands for greater than, GREATE, greater than, SYMBO symbol. COPY, copy stands for copyright symbol. PPYRIGS, right? SYMBO. ठीक है? No, 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 we cannot, you cannot, Harshit. ठीक है? I think that's, ठीक है जी. Cool. Fine. Fine. So now we have around 15 minutes break. ठीक है? 15-minute break. Let's meet at 9:55. Okay. At 9:55, we have a 15, because after that we will start some new topic. ठीक है? Till here, what is GT doing? GT is greater than. GT is greater than. See, I have written here. GT is greater than. LT is less than. Okay. Cool. Yes, going off for 15 minutes. Going off for 15 minutes. See you all in 15 minutes. मैं भी थोड़ी देर Okay, welcome back. Very good, Sidhu. Very good, very good, very good. So I think this 15-minute break session is effective. Do you all feel like refreshed now for the next 1 hour? Or is it like more lazy? Class dropout rate is not bad. Like 46 students have just dropped out. ठीक है जी, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Cool. I really loved this. I really loved this spirit. This shows that you are enjoying the class, isn't it? The break के बाद आना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. So if you all are here, cool. So, अच्छा, sorry, I forgot to share the screen only. No, yaar, I will have my dinner and around 3 or 4 a.m. सपने आसमान में उड़ने के हैं और जिंदगी 2 कमरे की 2 गज की, 2 गज नहीं, 2 कमरे की मकान में बीत रही है. The dreams are to fly in the sky and the life is going on in a closed room. That's a truth of the life. Harsh truth. Cool. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. Like I really want to make it little beautiful so that okay, I have one H1, one H1. Hello. Then I have H2. So maybe not H2 tag. I'll do that. I'll do that. Then I have maybe another H2. H2. Places I like. Let's figure. Let's see where I would like to go. Let's see where I go to VISIT. Like to visit. Cool. And what am I? Learning. I'm also learning. Maybe Just give me 2 seconds, not 2 seconds, obviously 2 minutes. RNING. I'm learning music. So can we use multiple H1? But like देखो कर सकते हो, you can use, but that is not advised. Okay, that is not advised. H3 to-do list. To-do list. Okay, and then we have a paragraph. A paragraph we can just. I'm learning web dev. Mobile, I'm learning Android. I'm learning application. ठीक है जी. No issues. And maybe or something like that. Here it would be a right place to give the spaces. NBSP. Maybe here also NBSP. And maybe here also. And maybe here also. ठीक है जी. तो थोड़ा सा अच्छा कुछ लग रहा है. Let's see the places that I would like to visit. Let's make another. Acha, one more thing. Cool. So from the very beginning, try to write the code with proper indentation. What indentation means? That will help you in future. So see, let me just make it a little big and then you will be able to see. सर ये indentation कैसे कर दिया? Sir. See how I'm doing it. Ki suppose this was my main heading tag. ठीक है? Cool. This is my subheading part. So this is one of my paragraph part. ठीक है? Now in that there is the forward heading, smaller heading. So see, heading 1, main heading, heading 2. Now all these things is under this. All this thing is under this H3 part. So this is, try to follow little indentation that will help you. Parent and child tag you can say and all. Okay. Cool. Let's see. I have heard places I would like to visit. Paragraph. Not necessarily currently. CURRENT. Currently, I'm alive. VING living in BRAHAM Brahmpur. ORRIS Orissa. Okay, and then I can maybe say H3 paragraph. I do not have in something like that. ठीक है. H3 on my bucket list in my VUC bucket list. ठीक है. There then I have, I want to visit New York, New York. Want to visit London. I want to visit Paris. Okay, cool. So that would be enough, I guess. And maybe I can also make H3 places to avoid, not highly recommended to avoid something. Hot desert. DSERT desert, and then well, hot desert and jungle, JUNGLES, jungles. Jungles. ठीक है. We can okay, cool. So yeah, I am having a good good list now. I can oh ठीक है जी. तो let me see कि what are the next things that I have to go forward. Abbreviation to give title also. ठीक है जी. देखो एक और चीज. Let's first do a live something कि I have Amazon.com here. Okay. Amazon.com here. Let's first see what am I actually trying to build. Electronics, it might have somewhere. Might be on my order section. On this. यार क्या हो गया? लिंक्डइन पे देखते हैं. कहीं ना कहीं तो होगा ही ये फीचर. कोई नहीं. See, abhi currently can't find that feature. Yeah, here it comes. Cool. See, when I'm hovering over this, okay, you can see there is something called like notification symbol is coming. It's a kind of abbreviation that we use. Okay, so let's say what do I say where I should implement? I am learning web development. Okay, I am learning web development from ACCIO. Okay, I'm learning web development from ACCIO. Cool. What I can do is I can do an abbreviation tag. So if you in case ABBR abbreviation tag in HTML, just see this. The abbreviation or maybe AJ. Yes. So you just use here ABBR abbreviation. What is this break? abbreviation. And this, you just go and write a title that is maybe ACCIO jobs. JOBS jobs. Okay. And here AJ, if you write. So what happens is, why there is this symbol? Acha, that was BR. Cool. कोई नहीं. That was BR. I just got confused. ठीक है देखो. So what's happening is, if you just go here, Accio jobs. It's very simple. There is nothing rocket science or something like that. Only when you just go here, you just put cursor here, you can see Accio jobs here. ठीक है? The title is whatever you put in the title, okay, that will appear here. Like sometime we use just like I just showed you, no, you can use it on the image tag also, and that we will be doing it also further. Okay. There is one more tag that is used mostly, like Orissa, suppose I'm using here address tag. It will just like slightly be different. So let's suppose ki I am living Behrampur railway station. Address to nahi disclose karunga. BRAHAM Behrampur, not main city. ORRIS, Orissa. Okay. So can you just see the address tag? It is just giving a little different. Okay? And that is a block element also. थोड़ा सा अलग. Yeah, why it's showing it italic? Because it is an address. It is an address tag. If we give space and a word, it will take. ठीक है जी? Okay. Cool. So next things. Abbreviation ABBR is abbreviation. ठीक है जी. Cool. किधर गया भाई? So the next things, listls.html. यही छूट गया था. ठीक है जी, ठीक है. One of the very important tags that we are going to learn. ठीक है जी, चलो इतना हो चुका था. Till this point we all are done. Now comes the most important part. ठीक है? Now we are completely going in a complete different thing. ठीक है? A complete different or not complete different, and a complete new thing. That is let's learn about lists. Let's learn about the lists. Okay, cool. I can see people are dropping out. Is it going boring? Is the class is getting boring? Ignore this for now. See, these are the metadata. These are the data about the data. But I don't want to discuss these things for now. अभी के लिए मैं discuss नहीं करना चाहता. Purposely मैं नहीं करना चाहता. It will just create more confusion, which is not necessary for now. Just those are metadata, data about the data. Let's learn for like two or three more classes. थोड़ा सा HTML के बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी हो जाएगा, then we can go. Things at the last time by okay. Okay, cool. ठीक है. So see, let's learn about the list. So there are three types of lists. Mostly in any YouTube videos or in articles, you'll learn there are only two types of lists: ordered list and unordered list. You have written you return earn instead of learn. Let's learn list. ठीक है, मतलब आप समझ रहे हो ना. देखो, शब्दों पे जाओ, मतलब भावनाओं पे जाओ, शब्दों पे नहीं. ठीक है, देखो. So there are basically there are BASICA basically BASICA basically three types of lists. There are basically three types of lists. Those are: one, ordered list; unordered list; and then descriptive list. नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है. Types of list. DL है. DL tag in HTML. Descriptive description list. Descriptive नहीं. DESCRIPTIO and description list. Yes. Cool. So these are the three types of lists that we will be learning. So simple. So let's make a simple. एक इसको ना बना कर ही सीख सकते हैं, देख करके. मतलब थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग तो सीखने का कोई लॉजिक है रहा नहीं, और मेरी क्लास में तो होता नहीं है बेसिकली. The first, let's start. The simple way, start with UL. UL stand for unordered list. Very good. UL is basically unordered, unordered list. ठीक है? This is the start of unordered list. In a list, the first you define the type. First, you define a type. What type of list it is. Okay. And in a list, what do you have? You have some items. Just try to relate to me. Okay, what I'm saying. You have a list item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first, you are trying to define what is the type of these. Okay. So that is the ordered list. After that, you'll write list items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or whatever it is. ठीक है जी. तो simple, बहुत simple सा syntax है इसका. Just come and start writing list item. This is the first. This is the first item in the list. In the unordered list, I would say. In the unordered, unordered list. ठीक है? In the unordered list. Here comes. Can you see? Now just go. And this is the SECOND second, THIRD third, FOURTH fourth, FIFTH fifth, SIXTH sixth, not SIXTH sixth, VE and 7. ठीक है? So this is how a list comes. ठीक है? In ordered list, this in unordered list, here you can also give a type. ty टाइप और क्या देते हैं यार, टाइप ही देते हैं, type टाइप. Right now maybe it is square square. Yeah, square. So see, sometime maybe you want ki, to specify what will be the type of this. What will be the type of this? ठीक है? What will be the type of this? Like the list का description type. Okay, मतलब basically let me annotate कि I want to, ठीक है, एक तरह का लिस्ट, दूसरी तरह का लिस्ट, तीसरी तरह का लिस्ट, और मे बी कि आई वांट a square type something. So there are multiple types. In case you are like you want to know more, you can just always there is a Google away ul types in HTML, unordered type list, disk, square, none, circle, none. ठीक है, you can also go here and do disk, disc, disk. So see, this is a kind of disk है ये, मेरे को तो सर्कल लग रहा है. A disk is also a circle. You can also put it none, none, none. So this is still in the list format. This is still in the list format, but there is no abbreviation to that. ये series लो, you, why can't you hurt? A hurt. यार अगर दिल लिख देंगे तो if will make hurt, his heart will break. No series, no logo, square. It takes as hurt. It takes as hurt also. Let me show. She HEART. No, brother, it does not take at hurt. ठीक है, SEIRCLE. ठीक है. This is a part. Simple, very simple. Clear all drawings. Cool. There is another type. ठीक है, there is another type, or maybe I would say here ना, let's say H2 unordered unordered list. ठीक है, now I have H2 ORDERED ordered list. Here also same. In unordered list, you write what? UL. In ordered list, you can write OL. And the same. The list item. This is the first item, second item, third item in the list. In the ordered list. In the ordered list. In the ordered list. In the ordered list. Okay. Okay, cool. Very good. Sir, using H2 in both ordered and unordered, but size difference. Why? Rishabh, see, brother, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखो. मैं ना ये H2 is, I have used both. I have used H2 differently. ठीक है? It is not in the like, and it is not in the list section. It is above the list section, and maybe you are feeling it. Maybe you are feeling because here I have not used capital letter. See, now the size is same. Size is same. Okay. Acha, just want a quick check. I want to do a quick check. How many of you are comfortable if we can stretch the class for 15 minutes? Like usually we would end it for 11. But I feel ki if I stretch class for more 15 minutes, how many of you would be comfortable? ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, let's do one thing. Let's go with the flow, and at sharp at 11 we will decide if we will be having energy. I'll see if the class will have energy. It will not be कि दो चार बच्चे बोल रहे होंगे कि 2 or 3 students would like कि we let's do the class, and still the class majority of the class would feel कि no it's not, then I will not do that anything. Okay, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, leave it. We will think it at 11. We will think it at 11. In fact, like till now 38 students are here. That is like an achievement for me only, because at the last moment class dropout rate is very high. So you all are here, you are really motivated. Let's do, this is the ordered list. Here also you can just go and type type, okay, and you can see there are multiple types like that. Okay, there are multiple types. You can just use ABCD, or you can use I 1 2 3 4 5, okay, like that. In ordered list, instead of H2 make H1, we will have large font size or less. यार देखो, आम पे थोड़ा ध्यान दो, गुठलियों पे क्यों ध्यान दे रहे हो? We have to learn for right now for this one. Okay, till this point everyone is clear? Maybe there are some others also, and we can use maybe ABCD, small ABCD also as an abbreviation. Cool. Very good. Fine. Now there is one more called descriptive list. Before going to the descriptive list, I would like to introduce you to a concept, not concept, like a type. Nested list, Nested, nested list. Nested list is basically list inside a list. Okay. First we will do a list inside an unordered list inside an unordered list, then an ordered list inside an unordered list, and an unordered list inside an ordered list. All the 4 types we will do. Okay. Nested list. So simply UL. Okay, now I understand. Okay. Maybe I would write here again H2. This is above the UL nested nested lists. Nested lists. Okay, cool, fine. Let's move ahead. In the unordered list, I have ordered. First, let's make a list of unordered list. In unordered list, LI list item 1, 2, 3. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. And maybe here I would write COU and the count. Okay, then I would write short lines, sir. 1 mango, 2 BNA and a banana, 3 apple, 4 ORANGES, 4 oranges. ठीक है, fruits, RUITS, fruits. Then I have veggies, VEGIES, veggies. UL, unordered list. Okay, I have unordered list and unordered list, or maybe in unordered list. Now I can say LI. Okay, in this would make more sense. Okay, this would make more sense rather than list item fruits, fruits, fruits. Okay, yeah. VEGIES, veggies. Not here actually. Another list item would be here. VEGIES, veggies. So can we type it in li tag? Can we use type in li tag? Li tag, maybe I'm not sure. Li tag in HTML. li W3 स्कूल पे ज्यादा अच्छा दिख जाता है. Global value, yes, you can try it yourself. So you are doing li tag only to combine both. See, अच्छा देखो आई एम कंबाइनिंग. ध्यान से एक देखो. How am I doing? Devanjana, I'll answer your question. Just give me a minute. Like, I'm not sure about it, so I don't want to give anything random. Just give me a minute. I'll confirm and I'll give it answer to you. ठीक है? Sidhu, see here. This is a unordered list. ध्यान से देखो. Just first let me do this one. Then you will see how nested loop it is working. How nested loop it is. ठीक है? One maybe ki potato, POTATO, potato. 2 tomato. 3 karela. 4 कोई अच्छा सब्जी का नाम बताओ यार. कैरेट. CARR रोटी कैरेट. अरे करेला मेरे को बिल्कुल ही पसंद नहीं है. ध्यान से देखो. Come now, see very carefully. This is how nested loop is working. If you will see now, can you see this is the actual list, the first one. There is one more UL that maybe I can remove for now. This is the main, the unordered list. In the unordered list, the list items, they have in, यहाँ पे देखो, unordered list के अंदर list items होते हैं. They have the list item, they have the list item. Now the list item is itself a list. List item is itself a list. Does that make sense to you? If anyone is getting confused, please be shameless, be blunt and ask me. It's as simple. Okay? Now that itself, that is the other list is also an unordered list. So this is a nested list inside a list. The first list is this one. The main list, the list items are this one. Okay. This list have also an unordered list. It does not make any difference यार. मतलब auto होगा. Let me see li. This will also do. This will also do. Like it's no. It doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make any difference. और एक बार देख लेता हूँ li and I refine the list item. It does not, it is not, it does not have any difference. मैं भी confuse ही हो गया. ठीक है? Okay. A quick question. How many of you this concept of nested loop, sorry, nested not loop, nested list is clear? There are 37 students. ठीक है जी. Nested loops list type 1. Type 1. What's that? Unordered list in an unordered list. On OR UL inside an UL. UL INSID inside UL. ठीक है? ये रहा. Okay. That makes sense. Ayushi. Cool. Now let's see the unordered list nested loops type 2. ठीक है? Is class getting interesting now? Now do you feel like okay, अब थोड़ा मजा आ रहा है, अब like we are learning the more concepts, like more stronger concepts. And now I'm getting excited in teaching. Inside OL inside unordered list. Cool. बिल्कुल युवराज, बिल्कुल. Yes युवराज, I saw your question. We can do, and I'll do that also. Not only we can do, I will do that in front of you only. ठीक है? Ordered list in front in the UL. Cool. Let's see now. This is the second type of heading. Okay. This is the second type of heading. Nested loop types 2. OL inside the UL means ordered list inside an UL or unordered list. Unordered list, UL, unordered list. Okay, the first list. Here I have list items. Okay. Here I have list items. Those list items, how to say? यार मैंने कैसे किया था? List item. Yeah. Cool. Let me take a good example. Courses. Unordered list of course subject and degree. Maybe CSE. Okay. The lists are CSE. Okay. In this, you have an OL, ordered list of what courses? Which courses that you will take? List item, DSA. Maybe you will have DA, you will have operating system, OPERATING, operating, IS system. You have DBMS, database management system. Okay, cool. Now all those mechanical guys, जल्दी बता दो कि mechanicals में क्या subjects होते हैं? MECHENICAL mechanic. MECHINICA. मैकेनिकल में टॉम, थर्मोडायनामिक, डॉम, मैकेनिक्स डिजाइन. ठीक है जी. UL, LI, टॉम, डॉम. वैसे पता है अभी हमारे वेब डेव में भी एक कॉन्सेप्ट है डॉम का. थर्मोडायनामिक्स, थर्मो DYNAMICS, thermodynamics. Then I have list item, machine learning है मैकेनिकल में. ECHIN machine, LEARNING learning. ठीक है जी. कोई सिविल का है? सिविल का या दो दो ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, दो सही है। सॉरी, यहाँ पे OL होगा, मैं UL के अंदर OL, मेरे को OL बनाना था। ठीक है जी, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, छोड़ो, रहने दो रहने दो रहने दो, मतलब सीखने से मतलब है ना, क्यों टाइम वेस्ट क्यों करें, वी विल लर्न समथिंग गुड। ठीक है, अभी सारे एग्जांपल्स लेंगे। नाउ सी, if you see very carefully, if you see very carefully, let me draw on the screen. There is a unordered list. The first is an unordered list, isn't it? This is unordered list. इसका कोई order नहीं है, ठीक है? The first list of number of courses, number of, sorry, the how to say, the branch. Here the courses. This is a ordered list. Unordered list, ठीक है, पहले अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट है, उसके अंदर इस अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट का मे बी गिव मी 1 मिनट, थोड़ा मैंने ज्यादा कचड़ा कर दिया, जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट। ठीक है जी, देखो पहला यूएल, इस यूएल का LI ये है, इस यूएल का LI नंबर 2 ये है, द लिस्ट आइटम LI ऑफ UL, ठीक है, अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट, this one, okay? Now see, this itself is a ordered list. इसका LI ये रहा, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। अरे ऋषभ, भावुक मत हो, इसके बाद सिविल का ही लेंगे, ठीक है, सिविल वालों को इग्नोर नहीं कर रहे हैं, चलो ठीक है। ओके, जस्ट अ क्विक क्वेश्चन, इज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर ऑफ nested loop in ordered list inside an unordered list? Is this clear to everyone? Only very few people are responding, like 10 or 11. यार मेरा गला सूख गया है चिल्लाते चिल्लाते। See, okay. Someone said कि repeat. Let me see who was it. किसी को तो समझ में नहीं आया। Yeah, Harshal, can you just tell me at which part you are not clear? Like what part is bothering you? Maybe I would repeat that particular part rather than just going entirely from the scratch. Just let me know the so ordered list 65 and 60. Okay, 65 and 60, 65 and 84. Okay. प्रैक्टिस के लिए क्वेश्चन प्रोवाइड समझ में आया, पर ये अनऑर्डर लिस्ट के अंदर कैसे आया, ये समझ में, ये अभी समझ आया। रौनक, समझ में आ गया या समझ में नहीं आया? ओके, ध्यान से देखो, चलो कोई बात नहीं, जब तक नहीं समझ में आएगा, जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं, जब तक समझोगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं। ध्यान दो, पहला दिन, लेट्स सी, this is a unordered list, okay? This is the UL, okay, good. So see, ध्यान से देखो, the first one, this UL is the main, okay? Can you see the indentation? Can you see the indentation? Can you see the indentation? This is the main unordered list, the first unordered list. Okay, good. Ronak, sorry, Harshal, to you. Can you see this now? Okay, cool. Now just focus and relate to this one, the previous one, the simple previous one. What did we have? Kaha gaya? We had an unordered list and then we had list items. Was this all? List items. These were the list started. This was the list item, all the list items. Okay. Now just try to relate here. This is the first unordered list. This is the list item. The list item. This is the list item of. There is the one list item here. There is the one list item here. Maybe. This ordered list. This ordered list. अब यार मैं इसको हटा नहीं सकता, ठीक है? इस वाले पार्ट को अगर हटाऊंगा तो एग्जाम मतलब वो खत्म हो जाएगा. So now can you see this inside this unordered list? This is the list item. The CSC, the mechanical is the list item, isn't it? Till this point it is clear. रौनक आपको क्लियर है इस पॉइंट तक? Okay. Very good. Now see, the list itself is a list. In this list there is one more list. Loop के अंदर एक और loop. The list is containing the CSC. Have one more list in it. That list, the other list, the other list is having a ordered list. ठीक है? इसके अंदर ये जो list है ना, ये एक list item था. The CSC is a list item. Now we are making another list, which is a ordered list, which containing these list item. Now ध्यान से देखो, बहुत ध्यान से. Okay. See here. Maybe ये list item जो है ना, ये list item, ये इसके लिए है. Okay? ये जो list items हैं, ये इसके लिए है. ये इस ordered list का list है. ठीक है? Similarly इसको अभी हम इसको तो expand करना पड़ेगा दोबारा से. ठीक है? This order list. This li has nothing to do with this li. ठीक है? This is a complete separate different list item. Till this point, just let me know if it is clear. Cool. Okay. Fine. Sir, the screen of live server is not visible. Sidhu, what you are trying to say, I can't relate to you. Or clear all my drawings. At downside. अरे देखो. अरे यार तो ये भी तो होगा ना. Here. Okay. The screen of the live server is not visible. ठीक है जी. Okay. और ठीक है. I will take 2 more minutes. ठीक है. I'll take 2 more minutes. And maybe I will relate the code. I'll relate the code and this also. Okay. देखो. This is the first UL. The list items. Okay. This CSC, the list item of this UL and the list item of this UL. Okay. Then comes another different list. DSA DA operating system DBMS. DSA DA operating system DBMS. Okay. This comes. So this have another different. Now I hope this would not leave any query to your mind. In case if you still have any query, please ask. I'm open to it. Sidhu, is it clear to you now? Okay. ओके, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। अब थोड़ा सा टाइम को सेव करते हैं, और ताकि कुछ हम कर लें जाने से पहले। ओके ओके जी, तो ये रहा मेरा लिस्ट ऑर्डर, ठीक है। अब हम टाइप 3 पे चलते हैं। ये मेरा ठीक है, नेस्टेड लूप, यूएल इनसाइड एंड ओएल। ये भी ना पिछले की तरह बिल्कुल सेम है। इस बार हम मैकेनिकल वालों को ले लेते हैं, सॉरी सिविल वाले नाराज थे भाई। यूएल इनसाइड एंड ओएल ना, ठीक है जी। लिस्ट आइटम पहले CIVIL सिविल के अंदर यूएल के अंदर LI। सिविल के अंदर के कोर्सेज बताओ जल्दी से। व्हाट्स हैपनिंग गाइस, यू ऑल आर ड्रॉपिंग आउट। जस्ट बी विथ मी फॉर मोर जस्ट 10 minutes, ठीक है, just 10 minutes, you all are going to learn really something amazing, really something amazing. Geotech survey, geo o TECH tech, चलो SURVEY survey, स्टील STEEL स्टील, ठीक है जी। 3 रहा। सिविल के बाद और कौन सा ब्रांच है? स्क्रॉल डाउन टू द लाइव सर्विस, यस यस यस। टेल मी अनदर ब्रांच एक्सेप्ट फॉर सिविल। ECE में सब्जेक्ट्स बताओ। ECE में सब्जेक्ट्स कौन कौन से रहते हैं? एक तो पता है मेरे को, इलेक्ट्रिकल, ELECTRICL इलेक्ट्रिकल, नेटवर्क्स NETWORKS नेटवर्क्स, ट्रांसफॉर्मा TRANSFORM ट्रांसफॉर्मा, ठीक है जी। देख रहे हो, देख रहे हो विनोद, यहां पूरा खेल ही बदल गया। बाबू भैया फिरकी ले रहा है कोई। सॉरी गाइस फॉर द इंग्लिश पीपल, इट वाज जस्ट अ जोक। समटाइम जोक्स हैव्स टू बी इन फीलिंग्स। हिंदी में फीलिंग आ जाता है, कांट ब्रिंग द सेम फीलिंग इन इंग्लिश। लिव इट लिव इट लिव इट। Come, see. Here, this was the ordered list. The upper list was unordered list. Now what I've done is I have made the upper list as an ordered list. Here, the inside loose list, the inner list was an unordered list. The inner list was an ordered list. Really sorry for my slip of tongue. These are like of a tongue twister. Ordered, unordered, ordered list to unordered list, unordered list to unordered list. So I'm just my tongue is slipping. Okay, please bear with me for that. Okay, come now. Here I have an unordered list. Maybe I'll do a different color. I'll do a different color. Okay, yeah. This is an unordered list. So this is unordered inside an ordered list. This is ordered list inside an unordered list. Okay. समझ में आया? If anyone have any doubt till this point, clear. ठीक है, it's 10:57. Do you all have patience for just 10 minutes? Not more, just 10 minutes. मतलब we can finish list in the 10 minutes. If you all can just be here for next 10 minutes, I assure कि मैं list को खत्म कर दूंगा. Anyone have any major issues like one guy Vaishali or Vishal, hostel का gate close हो जाएगा, no issues. Okay, cool. ठीक है, let's not waste time. Only. No. अब descriptive list कल पढ़ाएंगे, ठीक है? Descriptive list कल पढ़ेंगे, बस थोड़ा सा 2-3 और इसके नेस्टेड में और भी लेयर पे होते हैं. अनऑर्डर्ड के अंदर ऑर्डर्ड, ऑर्डर्ड के अंदर अनऑर्डर्ड के अंदर ऑर्डर्ड, कुछ इस तरह से हैं. तो 2-4 बस एग्जांपल दिखाना था और कुछ नहीं, ठीक है? लाइव टाइप 3, टाइप 1, टाइप 2, टाइप 3, ठीक है जी. नेस्टेड लूप टाइप 4, ओके. ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट inside ordered list. This is very simple. ठीक है जी. Simply just create a ordered list. Okay. Here you have list item. Here this has one more ordered list. Maybe ki maybe country. So INDIA India. ठीक है. List item New Delhi. Then I have list item as Bombay, BOMBAY, Bombay. Then I have list item as QLK Kolkata. ठीक है. Then again another order list item here. USA. Here I have maybe again ordered list item. Maybe key New York. Then I have another list item as New Jersey, JERCY, Jersey. Then I have another list item as San Francisco, FANCRISC, San Francisco. Okay. So see, can you see now? I have an ordered list above also. I have an ordered list below also. Now I can go and change the types. I can here maybe TY type and maybe put it as A. Okay. Type and put it as A. ABC. Okay. I can make this. Type 4 ordered list inside an ordered list. Now let's make a type, last type maybe type 5. Last type nested loop type 5. Okay. This is heavily nested loop. HEAVELY, heavily. But this is large. Just 5 minutes, guys. Just 5 minutes. Okay. So maybe I have a UL inside. I have LI inside. I have another UL inside. I have LI inside. I have OL inside. I have LI inside. I have another UL. Inside that I have LI. Inside that I have another OL. Okay. बस ये लास्ट होगा, ठीक है? The ordered list, this have LI. Maybe ki 1, 2, LITHREE. Okay, this LI have this UL have LI. This UL have. रुक जाओ. Unless sir, this is heavily nested loop or nested. This OL मेरे को एक एक बार में सबको ये OL हो गया. ठीक है. This is the list item inside this list item. So this is another list item. FO UR4 LI 5 LI SIX 6. This is LI of start from FOUR4. Okay. OL में list item start from 1. ओके. तो ये हो गया. ठीक है जी. ये अब LI था. Just a random random OL के LI था. ठीक है जी. इसका एक LI हो गया. इसका भी LI हो गया. Hey, what's up? ठीक है. अभी इतने में आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. बेसिकली this sir, where is this? Scroll down to the live pages. Yes, Shraddha. See, it will take me around 10 minutes to parallelly map. So you can see there I can map any unordered list to ordered list, ordered list to unordered list, unordered list to unordered list, unordered list to ordered list. Anyway, ठीक है. Anyway. Anmol, you will get in tomorrow's class, or maybe I will ask Harshit bhaiya. Harshit, na, yeah, his name is Harshit. I will ask Harshit to share the links with you all. Okay, I'll upload the code on the GitHub. So heavily nested loop, मतलब आप किसी भी तरह से कर सकते हो. ठीक है. These are the main loops 1 2. Then we have 1 2. This is a complete different loop. ठीक है. This is a complete different. So maybe I can just go on and add some other also. It will just keep on going. Okay. ठीक है. For all those who have stayed till last, just be there for like just 2 minutes more. I'll not ask more than 2 minutes. There is something really very important. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, people are leaving now. Okay, fine. See, to all the peoples who have been here till now, I have shared a link. Kindly consider filling it. Kindly consider filling it. That is really very important for me to know, and so that I can improve on the next class also. If you have faced any difficulties, anything that you would like me to know, or if you are feeling left out, just be honest. The form is completely anonymous. You can just share your honest feedback. ठीक है? Completely anonymous. Link active नहीं है. No, it is active. It is active. People have responded. By the way, I'll reshare. The down one. So do have notes of HTML. यार HTML में notes वोट्स कुछ नहीं होता है. Just start making projects like I do in the live class. The first project will be resume. Maybe by tomorrow we will make that. Yeah, you all can leave now. You all can leave. If you have any question, I'm open to that. If you have any question, I'm open to that. Bye, आयुषी.
हेलो.
हाँ जी.
भैया ये आपने जो हैवली नेस्टेड लिस्ट बताई थी, इसका यूज कहाँ पे होता है?
यार मतलब देखो, ऐसा होगा ना कि आप मान लो कि मतलब ऐसे ये कोई डीएसए नहीं है कि जिसमें आपको पता है कि एकदम ही आपको कुछ वैसा आइटम बनाने का करना पड़े. तो ठीक है, मतलब जिसके अंदर आपको पता है आपको अलग अलग लूप पे लेके जाना. आई हैव सीन दिस टाइप ऑफ लिस्ट टैग बट बेसिकली यूज्ड ऑन द यूआईएल types of list tag, but basically use the OL and URL type. Learning and understanding 80% thing, it is okay at this level. Yeah, if you feel 80%, yeah, it is okay. Like again, ki no one is perfect at the very beginning. But yeah, if you are learning 80%, try to put more efforts so that you can. Devanjana, I have seen these types of list tag. It's basically use the OL and UI tag. Or you can say, see, it's all about the use. Ki the more complex websites, the more complex projects. See, who was? Can you just name yourself? Who was speaking to this question? कि ये यूज कहाँ होता है? So yeah, देखो ऐसा होता है ना कि मतलब बेसिकली अगर आपने सीख लिया, ठीक है, अगर आपने सीख लिया और सीख लिया तो कोई उसके बाद कभी कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाया ही नहीं, ठीक है, तो मे भी आपको कभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा. कि जरूरत कहाँ पड़ेगा? कभी नहीं पड़ेगा. मान लो बैक एंड पे चले गए, ठीक है, शायद कभी जरूरत ना पड़े. फ्रंट एंड पे आप कभी काम ही नहीं किए तो जरूरत ना पड़े. बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि जब आप काम करोगे वैसी जरूरत लाइफ, रियल लाइफ केस है ना, तो कोई भी ऐसा सिनेरियो ये नहीं है. बाकी मैं आपको ऐसे दे सकता हूँ करंट एग्जांपल की कैसे
किसी
कर
किसी
सकते
वेबसाइट
हो?
का ड्रॉप डाउन बनाने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं इसमें।
हाँ, वेबसाइट का ड्रॉप डाउन मतलब कि एक के अंदर एक के अंदर एक, मतलब कॉलेज के ऐसे बना सकते हो ना, देखो
हम्म,
कॉलेज के अंदर डिपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर सब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर नंबर ऑफ क्लास स्टूडेंट्स एनरोल्ड के अंदर, या सब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर फैकल्टीज के अंदर बच्चे एनरोल्ड, इस तरह से करके तो हो सकता है ना।
थैंक यू।
ठीक है जी। टू ऑल दोज हु हैव नॉट फिल्ड एज ऑफ नाउ आल्सो, ऐसा हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट कि फिल कर दो यार।
हेलो।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ सर, मैंने वो ट्राई किया लेकिन वहाँ पे दिखा रहा है लिंक पे कि डायनेमिक लिंक इज नॉट फाउंड।
डायनामिक मोमित, वेट, मैं एक बार आपको दोबारा से भेजता हूँ, द रीसेंट वन, जस्ट ट्राई दिस लिंक। ठीक है, किसी और का कोई क्वेश्चन है? इफ आई कैन आंसर दैट।
सर कह रहे हैं कि ये जो जितना भी प्रोजेक्ट होगा, जैसे कि
हाँ
DSL
हाँ।
में क्या था कि खुद का कंपाइलर था ना, वहाँ से हम लोग कर रहे थे पोर्टल में। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग अपने ही कंप्यूटर में सब करके प्रोजेक्ट बना के क्या करना है, सबमिट करना है या फिर वहाँ पे स्क्रीन
हाँ,
शेयर
आपको
करके
प्रोजेक्ट
दिखाना है?
बना करके सबमिट करोगे और फिर वो हम प्रोजेक्ट को जज करेंगे, ठीक है।
अच्छा।
आपको सारे और इनफैक्ट आपको प्रोजेक्ट बनाते रहना चाहिए, इस वजह से भी कि आपका गिटहब का प्रोफाइल अच्छा बच जाता है, ठीक है। तो कंपनियां देखती हैं, मतलब वो समझ जाती हैं कि ये इंटरव्यू से 2 दिन पहले प्रोजेक्ट कुछ कहीं से छापा है या इसने रियली में जिंदगी में प्रोजेक्ट खुद से बनाए हैं। तो कंपनी से बेवकूफ होती नहीं है, वो तो पकड़ लेंगी। तो फिर वो वहां पे हो जाता है, मतलब फर्क आता है, रियल लाइफ में फर्क आता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं आता है।
और सर क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछता है इंटरव्यू में, मतलब थियोरेटिकल पूछता है या फिर वही प्रोजेक्ट
यार मतलब
रिलेटेड
देखो,
ही?
थ्योरेटिकल और प्रैक्टिकल दोनों ये होता है, ठीक है। मतलब इसमें मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने कई बार मैंने अभी तक टोटल 30-35 इंटरव्यूज दिए हैं, ठीक है। थैंक यू युवराज। मैंने अभी तक 30-35 इंटरव्यूज दिए हैं। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि वो इंटरव्यू 5 मिनट में डिसाइड होता है। अब ना एक बार ऐसा इंटरव्यू हुआ था, मतलब आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, कि मुझे जावास्क्रिप्ट का इंटरव्यू था, ठीक है। और थोड़ा सा जावास्क्रिप्ट के उसने एक ही पहला ही क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया था एसिंक्रोनस वगैरह के बारे में। और ये इंटरव्यू तब दिया था मैंने जब मैं 3rd ईयर में था, तो मुझे उतना अच्छे से आता नहीं था कॉन्सेप्ट उस वक्त। अब क्या हुआ कि सिंस ही नो कि अब मुझे नहीं आता है, ही वॉज काइंड ऑफ की आस्किंग मोर टफर क्वेश्चंस। अब वो मतलब कि वो मेरे को और डिग करने लग गया इधर उधर। और और भी बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज मैंने दिए हैं जिसमें कि पहला क्वेश्चन नॉर्मल था और मैंने बहुत अच्छे से आंसर कर दिया, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से। तो वंस ही नो कि ठीक है इसको आता है, तो उसके बाद कि बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस, मतलब मैंने ये बहुत अपने पूरे करियर में फेस करा है। टोटल जितने भी इंटरव्यूज मैंने दिए हैं, अगर मैंने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दिया तो मेरा बाकी सारा क्वेश्चन इजी होता है। तो मे बी शायद ये भी हो सकता हो कि साइकोलॉजी भी इस तरह से वर्क करता हो कि मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि हाँ ठीक है, अब हो तो गया, अब आगे कर लेंगे, तो उस वजह से भी मेरे को इजी लगता हो। या फिर जैसे पहला क्वेश्चन ही नहीं हुआ तो थोड़ा फट भी जाता है, तो उसके लिए और ज्यादा टफ लगने लगता है। बट क्वेश्चंस की कंपेयर, मतलब जो क्वेश्चन का क्वालिटी होता है। अब आपके स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं कि इसमें क्या पूछेगा। तो यार देखो, इसमें ऐसा होता है ना कि मतलब कि वो थोड़ा सा नॉलेज देखते हैं कि पहले आपको पता है कि नहीं, ठीक है। और उसके पास वो आपको एक रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो दे दिए, ठीक है। अब जैसे रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो मैं आपको देता हूँ कि देखो यार, मेरे को एक कॉलेज है, कॉलेज का पहले मेरे को कॉलेज के अंदर का डेटा स्टोर करना है कि हायरार्की वाइज कि कॉलेज में कितने डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, ठीक है। और कॉलेज के डिपार्टमेंट्स के बाद मुझे कॉलेज के हर डिपार्टमेंट में कितने टीचर्स, कितने सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाए जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, हर सब्जेक्ट के अंदर। तो अब आप बताओ कि इसमें कौन सा टैग्स लगाना सही रहेगा, इसको किस तरह से ये करना सही रहेगा, ठीक है। तो इससे आपका दोनों चेक हो गया, यूएल आपको लिस्ट वगैरह की सही से आती है कि नहीं, और दूसरा कि आपका थिंकिंग भी चेक हो गया। इन केस में भी कई बार ना डेव वगैरह में ऐसा होता है कि बहुत छोटा सा कुछ चीज होता है तो वो बोल भी देते हैं। जैसे आपने कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाया और वो प्रोजेक्ट देख रहे हैं गिटहब पे, तो वो आपसे कुछ पूछ लें कि यार मतलब इसमें ये वाली लॉजिक कैसे इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे। मतलब उसमें बेसिकली आपसे कोड नहीं पूछते हैं कि ये वाला कोड का पार्ट बताओ, ठीक है, वो कोई फीचर पूछते हैं। जैसे मान लो आपने एक शॉपिंग कार्ट बनाया, ठीक है, और शॉपिंग कार्ट बनाते वक्त आपने कुछ अच्छा सा फीचर लगाया तो उसमें पूछेंगे कि ये फीचर आपने इंप्लीमेंट कैसे किया, ठीक है, ये चीजें आपने कैसे सोची। तो वो बस आपका थॉट प्रोसेस जानना चाहते हैं रादर देन कि आप काम कैसे कर रही हो एग्जैक्टली।
जी सर। तो
समझ
फिर
रहे
सर
हो?
वो लोग जज करते हैं बेसिकली हमारे डिजाइन के ऊपर, फ्रंट एंड के जितना भी हम लोग अच्छे से
हाँ
करेंगे।
बेसिकली अरे देखो प्रोजेक्ट तो
हाँ।
ऐसा होता है ना कि आपको क्या लगता है कि प्रोजेक्ट पे कोई एक ए से लेकर के स्क्रैच से लेकर के मैं इनफैक्ट आपको क्लास में पढ़ाने आता हूँ, तो मेरे पास भी एक वो होता है, मतलब कि क्या कहते हैं उसको, एक टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट होता है कि मुझे क्या पढ़ाना है, कैसे पढ़ाना है, पहले क्या लेना है, फिर उसके बाद कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लेना है। तो मैं भी एक एमओयू कह लो या फिर कुछ भी कह लो, एक कोई भी टीचर होता है पढ़ाता है। प्रोजेक्ट तो ऐसा ही होता है कि वो आपको कभी याद नहीं होगा कोड, आप मेरा खुद का बनाया हुआ प्रोजेक्ट मैं कल बनाऊंगा और आज दोबारा उठाऊंगा तो मैं स्क्रैच से नहीं बना सकता, कोई भी नहीं बना सकता। मतलब अगेन कैसा छोटा सा रेज्यूमे या पोर्टफोलियो प्रोजेक्ट टाइप का नहीं हो तो की बात है। तो प्रोजेक्ट तो हमेशा आदमी गूगल करके लेता है। रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो कि आप क्या जब ऑफिस में काम करने जाओगी तो एक सॉफ्टवेयर का इतना बड़ा सा कोड लिखा होगा, तो आप क्या सारा कोड आपको याद होगा? नहीं ना, आप तो गूगल करोगी, देखोगी, इधर उधर से हाथ पैर मारोगी, इस तरह से करके करोगी, यही करोगी ना,
जी
या
सर।
कुछ और करोगी? तो
नहीं सर, कुछ
आपको
याद
बस,
रखेंगे।
हाँ ऑब्वियसली नहीं हो सकता, किसी को भी नहीं याद रह सकता है, ठीक है। तो
एकदम।
उस वैसे सिचुएशंस में ये करते हैं कि आपको देखते हैं इधर उधर से, आपने जो चीजें बनाई हैं वो बस ये चेक करते हैं दो चीजें। एक तो कि आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल कितनी है, और पहले वो चेक ये करते हैं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट आपने बनाया है कि नहीं है, ठीक है। तो बेसिकली देखो मेरा घर अगर है, मैंने अगर मेरा घर बनवाया है तो मुझे पता होगा ना कि घर में बाथरूम किस साइड से है, बाथरूम का गेट कौन से साइड से खुलता है, बेडरूम में खिड़कियां किधर किधर है मेरे, अगर मैंने खुद से घर बनवाया है तो। अब मेरे पापा ने बनवाया होगा और मैं उसमें आके रहता हूँ, बोलूंगा कि मेरा घर है, तो शायद मेरे को पता भी नहीं होगा कि किसी घर के अंदर कहीं पर उन्होंने सुरंग बना के रखा होगा या कोई एक लॉक रूम में ऐसा सीक्रेट रूम सा बना के रखा होगा। तो बस वो चेक कर लेते हैं वो, और मतलब वो देखो आप एक इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो और वो 10 साल से बस इंटरव्यू ही ले रहे होते हैं, ठीक है। तो उनको बहुत अच्छे से पता होता है, मतलब कि वो 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगता, 2 मिनट लगता है उनको, ये पकड़ लेते हैं कि कौन सच बोल रहा है, कौन झूठ बोल रहा है, कौन कैसा है, कौन कितने पानी में है। उनके लिए मतलब अभी जैसे कि मैं डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स में बहुत ज्यादा प्रो हूँ। अब मैं कोई डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स किसी का इंटरव्यू लेता हूँ ना, तो मैं 2 मिनट लगता है मुझे पता करने में इसको ये कितने पानी में है, इसको क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं। बट मैं हम कभी एज ए इंटरव्यूअर, हमारा ये धर्म भी होता है, मतलब एज हमारे पास इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी होते हैं, हम सामने वाले को कभी डिमोटिवेट नहीं करते कि मतलब यार तेरे को नहीं आ रहा है या कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं करते हैं। हम उसको फील नहीं होने देते ताकि उससे उसका जो बाकी का क्वेश्चन है उसका उसको इफेक्ट ना खराब हो जाए। इस वजह से हम उसको जैसा है वैसा रहने देते हैं कि ठीक है भाई चल तू सही है, पता नहीं चल पर हमें पता हो जाता है, ठीक है। एक ना बहुत फेमस टीचर है विकास दिव्य केटरी सर, विजन आई दृष्टि आईएएस के मतलब फाउंडर सीईओ वगैरह भी हैं, पढ़ाते भी है। उन्होंने कहा था, और वीडियो है बहुत वायरल है, शायद आपने भी कभी पढ़ा होगा, अगर मुझे किसी को सिलेक्ट करना होगा तो मैं पूछूंगा भाई अपने मामा का नाम बताओ, और मुझे किसी को रिजेक्ट करना होगा तो मैं पूछूंगा भाई मेरे मामा का नाम बताओ। यही सच्चाई है, यही सच्चाई है।
समझिए।
ठीक है जी, चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर एवरीवन। कोई क्वेश्चन है किसी और का तो पूछ लो, नहीं तो मैं एंड करता हूँ मीटिंग। हाँ जी युवराज, बताओ बताओ बताओ। प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस कैसे करोगे यार, ज्यादा से ज्यादा बनाओ। ये बात बताओ, गाड़ी चलाने का प्रैक्टिस कैसे हो सकता है? ड्राइविंग का प्रैक्टिस कैसे हो सकता है? ड्राइविंग, हाउ कैन यू गेट बेटर एट ड्राइविंग? बाय ड्राइविंग मोर। और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है और कोई तरीका ही नहीं है, एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता। आप यूट्यूब वीडियो देखोगे फॉर्मूला रेस, मतलब घर में बैठ के गाड़ी चलाने से, वो वीडियो गेम पे गाड़ी चलाने से गाड़ी नहीं सीखता है आदमी। अरे हाँ हाँ कर लो भाई, क्यों नहीं, इसमें पूछने वाली क्या बात है, कर लो बिल्कुल, अनम्यूट कर लो।
सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ हाँ आ रही है भाई, आ रही है, बताओ।
सर पहले तो हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू सो मच।
सर एक्चुअली ना मैंने बीसीए कर रखी है, तो वहां पर ना ये मतलब प्रैक्टिस वगैरह मैंने थोड़ी बहुत कर रखी है। तो सर
हाँ
मैं आपको सच्ची बताऊं तो उन्होंने कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं बनवाया, कुछ नहीं कराया।
हाँ हाँ।
लेकिन सर मेरे को ना कोई लेआउट या कुछ ऐसा प्रोवाइड कर सकता हो, जैसे कोई वेब पेज या कुछ जो HTML से बन सकता हो, जैसे मेरी HTML की प्रैक्टिस हो जाए, क्योंकि सर आजकल
मैं
जितने
बताऊं,
भी ऑनलाइन है वो
रेज्यूमे बनाया है तुमने? रेज्यूमे बनाया है?
सर उसमें कुछ एज सच खास नहीं है, वैसे बनाया तो है जो मैंने एक्टिव जॉब पे अपलोड किया था।
अपना रेज्यूमे, नॉर्मल रेज्यूमे बनाया है ना?
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
उस रेज्यूमे को HTML से बनाओ। वो आपने कहाँ बनाया होगा? वर्ड डॉक पे जाके बनाया होगा।
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी।
कल क्लास में आना तो मैं सबसे पहले तुम्हारा वो चेक करूंगा।
ओके सर, मैं उसे बनाता हूँ, ठीक है,
उसमें कुछ नहीं
क्योंकि सर
चाहिए।
मैंने कोशिश करी
मैं
थी।
सुनो बता देता हूँ तुमको, कुछ नहीं चाहिए। हेडिंग्स टैग का यूज करना है, टेबल का यूज अभी नहीं करना है, ठीक है? टेबल का रहने दो, जरूरत नहीं है।
ओके सर।
हेडिंग टैग का यूज करना है, और तुमको लिस्ट का यूज करो, ब्रेक लाइन का
ओके
यूज करो, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन का यूज करो।
ओके
हाँ बस इतना यूज करो। इतना यूज करके तुम मेरे को कल क्लास से पहले अपना रेज्यूमे HTML से बना के दिखाओगे। सिर्फ और सिर्फ HTML, CSS नहीं चाहिए, बिल्कुल CSS नहीं चाहिए।
सर, यही यही मैं आपसे पूछने वाला था, क्योंकि मैंने ना 2-3 वेबसाइट इंस्पेक्ट करी थी कि कोशिश करता हूँ बना के देखूं, लेकिन सर वो 80% तो CSS में डिजाइनिंग है सारी।
अरे भाई तो क्यों जा रहे हो तुम? क्या तुम पता है क्या कह रहे हो? तुम सोचो तुम क्या कह रहे हो। तुम कह रहे हो कि मैं आज गाड़ी चलाना सीखता हूँ, और मैं तुम कौन से शहर में रहते हो?
सर मैं देहरादून के पास रहता हूँ, स्मॉल
अच्छा,
सिटी
देहरादून
है
में रहते हो, ठीक है। दिल्ली आए
सहारनपुर।
हो? दिल्ली आए हो कभी?
यस सर, यस सर।
हाँ, तुम क्या कह रहे हो पता है? तुम राजीव चौक के गोल चक्कर पे जाके गाड़ी चलाओगे एकदम डे 1 पे,
नहीं नहीं सर।
ठीक है? या तुम कमला
समझ
मार्केट
गया
में जाके
सर।
गाड़ी चलाओगे? या तुम कह रहे हो मुंबई में जाके मैं दादर स्टेशन पे जाकर के गाड़ी चलाऊंगा, या फिर अंधेरी में जाके गाड़ी चलाओगे? ऐसे होता है भाई? नहीं होता है ना। पहले रात में जब सब सो गए हैं, रोड खाली है, उस वक्त खाली सड़कों पे पार्क वार्क के सामने तो गाड़ी चला लो। पहले स्टेयरिंग तो संभाल लो, पहले आपको समझ में आ जाए कि कितने पे स्टेयरिंग घुमाने से टर्न हो जाता है, कितने पे नहीं टर्न होता है। ये सब चीज सीख लो।
ओके सर, मैं आज ही अपना रिज्यूमे बनाता हूँ HTML से।
हम्म।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू भाई।
गुड नाइट सर।
गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट। एनीवन हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू मोमिता। मोमिता, मैं तुम्हारा नाम सही प्रोनाउंस कर रहा हूँ?
यस सर।
ठीक है जी, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक। चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर, गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट एवरीवन।